In this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can use Mote to plan a scavenger hunt activity. If you haven't installed the Mote Chrome extension, link is in the description. Okay, let's move on. Open a new Chrome tab, then click the Mote extension icon. Record your voice instructions, tasks, or clues by clicking the Mote icon. You can see the recorded recent modes under the My Recent Modes. Click the share icon and then click QR code. Save the QR code image as you prefer. Repeat the steps until all the tasks are done. Once all the QR mode cards are ready, print them out and set up the scavenger hunt activity according to your preferences. Now let's check it out in student view. Students open the QR reader app in their tablets and scan the QR cards to complete the activities. Now students can listen and complete the task based on the voice guidance. They can also reply to the mode cards whenever necessary. And that brings to the conclusion of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more EdTech videos.